Welcome into the channel, everyone. It's Michael Tharp, EDU. It starts with you. The day has finally come, everyone. The Blast Airdrop Phase 1 is ready to be claimed. Before I do that, to see how much I got, all right, let's cover just a few things. All right, so let's head on over to Blast. Blast is now live. You have 30 days to claim your Phase 1 airdrop. Phase 2 now begins. Enter the full stack chain. Our mission is to unbank the banked. Join us and earn native yield on Blast in Phase 2. They said we've been getting a lot of questions about the plan for Phase 2, how users and teams can participate. Phase 2 has points and gold similar to Phase 1, but the distribution mechanism will be different based on lessons learned from Phase 1. The Blast Foundation will clarify how Phase 2 works in an in-depth guide next week. So I'll bring that to you guys next week. Blast is available to sell. We'll sell a little bit on Thruster. I'll just show you how to do it. And Coinbase is also opened up the Blast network. They're kind of the first big exchange to get them. And most of these other ones you can't really use if you're in the USA anymore. So basically we have DeFi and Coinbase. I'm sure there'll be more. It's trading at 2 cents roughly. So let's get to the fun part, guys. Let's claim this airdrop and see what I got. So we're going to click claim airdrop. Sign in to claim airdrop. Rabby. Connect. Sign, create, and confirm. Claim airdrop.
In just a moment, you'll be able to claim your Blast Phase 1 airdrop. But before you do, I want to take a moment to share what the future for Blast holds. Blast launched only 3 months ago, and in that short period of time, Blast reached over 3 billion in TVL across over 1 million users. This growth has made Blast the operating system of the on-chain economy. This approach is highly similar to the approach that Android takes, where they build out the operating system and they rely on third parties to fill in the rest. And I want to be clear, this approach works, but it has a fatal flaw. It results in a fragmented infrastructure layer that creates a user experience filled with friction at every step of the way. At Blast, we're taking the opposite approach. Instead of just optimizing the chain, we're building out the full stack to optimize the entire user experience. This full stack won't just make existing user experiences easier, but it actually opens the door for entirely new experiences and applications to be built. And in order to accomplish all this, we're building Blast across 3 phases. In Phase 1, we launched the chain with native yield. In Phase 2, we're building out the full stack for crypto natives. Phase 2 starts today, and we're kicking it off with the release of the Blast app. In just a moment, you'll be able to claim your Phase 1 airdrop through the app. But before you go ahead and do that, there's one last question that needs to be addressed. Why does the on-chain economy matter? Why are we here? Why does Blast exist?
Wow, that's sweet. Just the rollout, having that video there. Now they have their own app. I love it. All right, 44,000 Blast across 3 linked wallets. Claim your airdrop through the Blast mobile app. Tweet to claim airdrop. So I guess, okay, so we're going to click on this, get Blast app to claim. All right, continue in the Blast app. Finish claiming your 44,000 Blast. So I'm going to go ahead and scan this with my phone. Add it to your home screen. So I see 4 words now. So it says enter code words on the airdrop site. So I'm going to say I'm done installing the app. I don't know if these are secret or anything, but I'm going to pause it. Okay, put those in. It says finish claim in your Blast app. Continue in the Blast app to claim your phase 1 airdrop. So enable permissions to continue. Tap allow on the prompt. So I'm allowing notifications. I'm clicking done. Okay, so I did the golden ticket on my phone and won 15,000 points. So that's kind of cool. Claim it. Now, all my 3 wallets that were linked were added here. I mean, they're view only, but I can see them. And the points went to all of your wallets. So you can see here I got 43,000 Blast in this wallet, worth about $938 right now. So I'm seeing like a lot of people on Twitter and Discord being like, oh, you know, this sucked. This, you know, it wasn't enough money. But again, I mean, I didn't bring in crazy amounts of money, and it was just sitting here anyways in Ethereum and USD. And if I sold now, it was $900. Okay. Again, I think that's awesome, right? I'm not going to sell much of it, but you know, you got to think right now, you know, the market is at 46, you know, things are not popping. And, you know, you can see here, again, we got to dream bigger here, guys. I mean, we're basically came up. I mean, this is when I got into crypto. All right. This seemed like, holy cow, this was amazing, right? I mean, look how small it is compared to even when we were here. And then the same thing's going to happen is when we look back on this, it's going to look like nothing. So, you know, we basically, our high before was 3 trillion in the last bull run. And we're basically, you know, coming up against that support. And we're just going to kind of go sideways here. But when we look back in the next year, this is going to seem small. So don't lose vision. Stay focused. So let me set it up to sell some of these. And if you want to do that, I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to go to app.thruster.finance. I believe you do need a VPN for this. You guys should always be using VPNs. So if you need one, look down below in my link tree, get a NordVPN, get 3 months free. All right, so we're going to go Blast, 43,000, and it's paired with wrapped ETH. All right, so if I was going to sell 1,000, I'm going to approve Blast. Sign in, create, and confirm. So I'm not going to be selling many of these right now. You can see, well, let me get this going, and then we'll look at the chart. All right, swap was a success, so I sold 1,000 Blasts for about $21 of wrapped ETH. I'm going to actually just go wrapped ETH to ETH, so I get just put it back in and earn on it. So you can kind of see when it came out, like most tokens, you know, it went up to 3 cents, right? And now it's down to almost 2. So again, you know, you have tons of people getting this free airdrop. A lot of them, you know, are very short-sighted. They're just going to go and sell whatever they got and move along. But I love the vision of Pac-Man and what they're building here. And I think he's thinking outside the box and what most people are. So again, I just showed you guys how to sell some. I'm going to keep most of mine. I'll probably find a way to utilize it in, you know, liquidity pool or something. So I think this is just the beginning. Again, this is just phase 1 of the airdrop. I'm going to continue to farm it, continue to do multipliers, because I think a lot of people will leave and just get discouraged. But again, You know, Blast is still the number 7. So base did overtake it because, you know, with the airdrop, the first phase, some people left, so we're down 33. But we're just barely behind base, and we're catching up on Arbitrum. So, you know, I see, you know, base and Blast still being the best L2s that Ethereum has. So I'm going to continue to farm this airdrop. All right, that is it, guys. $900 for free, literally just holding Ethereum and USD in my Blast. And I really liked it because it gave me discipline to just keep stacking ETH, stacking USD, rather than going to a bunch of crazy meme coins or whatever. So hope you guys enjoyed your airdrop. And, you know, I'm just going to get ready for phase 2 and keep farming. You have to have a long-term vision right now. So, guys, stay positive. Continue to DCA. Okay, keep buying whatever projects that you like. Don't, you know, get frustrated and lose focus. All right, we probably got about 2 months of sideways action until we see something really start to take off. So keep stacking, guys. Lace up. Let's get wealthy.